So you want to delete your version history. This is very, very important because sometimes we'll put in personal information into a sheet, we'll edit it, or we'll create a sheet in some way. We'll spend a lot of time on it and a lot of energy making very specific changes. And then when we share that sheet, like when we go up to share, we don't necessarily want to share all of those steps. We just want to share the last version of the sheet. This is actually very important for people who sell sheets. This is very important for people who are giving sheets away for free to other people to use in their Google Drive. Basically, really, really helpful to make templates this way. Or just in terms of, hey, I want the sheet that I made for my fellow coworkers just to be the exact template it is, not able to hit undo, this Command Z, and start making changes unnecessarily. So how do we do this? How do we delete version history? Well, there's no great way to do this except for make a copy. This is my personal favorite way to delete the version history. I make a copy and I call it something, either final version or share version, or just call it the name of it and then go back to the original one and call it raw or some other name. And why this matters, why this is really cool, let's make this copy, let's call it just copy of, is when we open it up and we look at our version history, it is gone. So a version history of the original one has a few things here. We even named some versions of it as we were working on it. But this new version has none of that. No version history. We have essentially created a brand new sheet with no memory, no remembrance of the past. Very, very cool. I think this is the best way to do it. I honestly offer this way to many clients. I offer this way to many friends and family who are like, I want to share a sheet, but I don't want to share all these things that I did to it, especially things like API keys, or when I did tests of this, I entered some data, and I don't want all of that stuff there available for people to see. So that's what I say. Make a copy, and now this is your next version. This is the version you share. This is the version you offer to those who are buying your sheet or getting it for free. If you are selling sheets, check out my course, Selling Spreadsheets. It's available on bettersheets.co, but also on Udemy as a standalone thing. You don't need to buy the entire BetterSheets suite of courses and offerings and tools. You might want to. You might want to get Only Sheets. Only Sheets does allow you to sell your access to your Google Sheet without having to add people and also without having to share publicly the link. So every single person who buys it is just added to the sheet as a viewer. That's what Only Sheets allows you to do. Very cool, easily connect to payment services or through Zapier, through a lot of things. You can give away stuff, you can sell trackers, templates, workflows, info products, all that kind of stuff that you might be deleting your version history of and creating a nice template. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.